So here's the car inside from the outside. Got a quick release, a shift knob. We're going to go ahead and unlock the doors. So the side skirts definitely got to go. We put the emblems on for now, but that's going to be taken off and be putting over the wrap once that comes in. I locked the doors, didn't I?
Yeah.
Well, I want to show that the shock mounts work now. That was probably a big one. Yes, sir. So we got brand new shock mounts in, put those in about 2 days ago. Again, there goes the fire extinguisher. And then another shock mount. No, with it, we did just clean it out. It was disgusting. Not sure if you remember from the first couple videos of the car. The inside was completely disturbing. But we wiped down all the trim, and then I didn't vacuum, but I used like a washcloth to pick everything up. Got the inside there too. I just gotta do underneath the seats. The bumper has to go. Shit's damn near falling apart. But it's holding up for now. I just gotta go through inspection one more time. This damn trunk is heavy as shit. Also, I did get hit on the day coming back from the shop to go to the DMV, so I had to pull the bumper out and patch that up today. But besides that, you can still see the light. All the lights work inside. You said the left brake light, right? Left brake light. I did my first fill up. Now I do want to get wheels with a bigger offset so it can come out some more. And the side skirt on this side is not as bad. But besides that, I think I'm liking it. How you feeling? So, got the emblems on this side too. You want to give me a hand with the hood? Okay. I like these lights because they have halos on the high beams. And then that's the tow hook from the original pictures. Got the front emblem on too. Here we go. So we have the aftermarket cold air intake with a splash guard underneath, about right there on both sides. We got the custom front end, tubular front end, painted it purple. I was actually there to paint it myself. That's pretty cool. We got where the lights are mounted. I can actually take the bumper off and rock the custom bumper by itself, but I'm not really too sure if I want to ride around like that yet. I have AC, which is pretty cool. I have heat and AC. This is really supposed to be a drift car, but everything else is pretty much stock as it is. I mean, it's all rebuilt, so some things are missing, some things are there, some things are just put back together how they are. My wipers work, brand new battery, again AC, radiator, everything else is mounted up different. Yeah, so that's it for now. On the next one, probably do like a ride along or something. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing to this damn hood. Bumper. Put these little toe straps on there, but I don't think those are going to work. Besides that, pretty much loving it. Would you say so? And then we're going to get the replacement antenna for it too. Yeah. Again, this is going to go. Side skirt's going to go. Front bumper's going to go. It's going to get tinted out, wrapped out.
You got to tell the story.
I just did, about the lady hitting me. And then I got a couple stickers on there as well too. My exhaust is hanging pretty low. Again, this is the Gretty exhaust with the SRS downpipe and test pipes. And I'm not sure what body kit this was, but the body kit has to go anyway. We'll get a new one for it. But you ready to go? Where my keys at? Oh, my keys in my pocket.
Yeah, like America.
So we'll lock the doors to, I never know what the name is for it. We'll lock the doors to that. You wanna take the wheel?
Okay.
And then we're gonna lock the Camaro doors. I think I got everything out of here. You got everything you need out your car? Alright, I'm gonna see my babies later. So last time the footage got cut early, so this time we're going to do a full ride along around the neighborhood. So welcome back. You know, we are in the Z brought back to life. We have my friend here. My best friend. That would have been nasty.
Speaking of nasty, what is that?
Glue?
Oh, glue.
Yeah. Yeah, I guess you could just hold it.
I'm going all the way down.
That's what I'm talking about.
Yeah. We gotta fix the exhaust. It's gonna be real shaky.
Not really, I told you I got better. Just don't trust it.
And I do. It's cool.
I'm gonna go back one more time. Okay, now that one was shaky. See, it's like knowing about when to let go of the pedal. It's like knowing when to let go of the clutch.
Keep going. Keep going.
Yo!
Sean's stuck.
See, I think neutral first. I was stuck in neutral for a second. Why you got on me? You're supposed to have it myself.
I know, I said this is gonna be a rocky ass video. Like, you got this stuck in here.
What's the camera over?
I think he's having too much fun. Speed limit 20 miles per hour.
133.
Oh shit, stop sign.
It's just about being aggressive with it. You can't be soft.
Mirror. Stop. Go back up some. There you go. You're good. I was ready. I forget how to pull it in there. Oh